Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese with milk powder. First, you will reconstitute your milk powder with water, creating a liquid milk base. This is the foundation for our delicious homemade cheese. Next, we will introduce an acid such as lemon juice or vinegar to initiate the curdling process. Finally, we will gently heat the mixture, which helps the milk solids separate from the liquid whey, bringing us closer to our final product. To begin the curdling process, combine 1 cup of milk powder with 4 cups of water, ensuring it's well mixed. Gently warm this reconstituted milk over medium-low heat, but do not boil it. Once warm, slowly incorporate about 2 tablespoons of an acid, like lemon juice or white vinegar, stirring continuously. You will soon observe the milk separating into distinct solid curds and a clear, yellowish liquid known as whey. Now that your milk has curdled, it is time to separate the curds from the whey. Prepare a colander by lining it with several layers of cheesecloth or a very clean, thin kitchen towel. Carefully pour the entire curdled mixture into the lined colander, allowing the liquid whey to drain away. Once most of the whey has drained, gather the edges of the cheesecloth and gently squeeze to remove any remaining excess liquid from your fresh curds. With the curds now drained, it is time to give your cheese its final form. You can press the curds into any desired shape, perhaps a small disc or a compact ball. For best results, refrigerate your freshly made cheese for at least 1 hour. This helps it firm up nicely. Store your delicious homemade cheese in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 5 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.